Hi everyone. In this video we're going to talk about the role of website content in SEO. So SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's the practice of optimizing your website and its content to increase its visibility and ranking in search engine results pages. The goal of SEO is to drive more traffic to your website by improving its relevance and authority in the eyes of search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. SEO can be a complex and ongoing process, but it's essential for any website that wants to succeed online. By improving your website's search engine visibility and driving more traffic to your site, you can increase your brand's online visibility, reach, and ultimately your revenue. So, what types of content is ranked by search engines? Search engines like Google rank a variety of content types based on relevance, quality, and authority. Some of the most common types of content that are ranked by search engines are text-based content. So this includes blog posts, articles, and other written content that's optimized and relevant with relevant keywords and provides value to the user. Next, we have visual content. So this includes images, infographics, and videos that provide visual context and the value to the user. Search engines can also rank images and videos based on their alt text and titles. This includes reviews, comments, and social media posts from users that provide social proof and value to the user. Search engines also rank user-generated content based on the authority of the user and the relevance of the search query. Then there's local content, and this includes things like product content that is optimized for local search, like local business listings, blog posts, and location-specific landing pages. And lastly, e-commerce content. So this includes product descriptions, reviews, and other content related to e-commerce, websites that provide value to the user and optimized with relevant keywords as well. Search engines rank content that is relevant, high quality, and authoritative, regardless of its format. It's important to create a diverse range of content that provides value to the user and are optimized for search engines to improve your website's search engine visibility and ranking. So there are two main types of SEO. There's on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the optimization of your website's content, structure, and metadata to make it more search engine friendly, and this includes optimizing your page titles, headings, URLs, and images, and internal links as well. The main goal of on-page SEO is to ensure that a website is structured in a way that is easy for search engines to crawl, index, and understand the content of the website. You want to include the use of relevant keywords, meta tags, optimizing the structure of the content, using headings, subheadings, and bullet points, and includes optimizing the website's HTML source code by ensuring that the title tags and meta descriptions and image alt tags are optimized for targeted keywords. It also involves optimizing the website's structure, adding its URL structure, internal linking, and navigation to make it easy for both users and search engines to find and navigate through the website. Overall, on-page SEO is a critical aspect of any successful SEO strategy, as it helps search engines understand the relevance of and value of a website's content and structure, and can ultimately result in higher search engine rankings, increased organic traffic, and better business results. Some examples of on-page SEO and some factors to consider is keyword research. So identifying the primary and secondary keywords that your target audience uses to search for your products or services, and use them strategically throughout your website's content. Next up, you have page titles. So use relevant descriptive page titles for each page on your website, including your primary keyword whenever possible. Write a brief and compelling summary of each page's content that includes your primary keyword and entices users to click through to your website, and this will help form your meta description. Next up is URL structure, so making sure that you use short descriptive URLs that include your primary keyword and reflect the content of your page. With image optimization, you want to make sure your images are optimized by compressing their file size, using descriptive alt tags, and including relevant file names. Link to other relevant pages on your website to help internal linking, and this helps search engines identify and understand your site structure and hierarchy. And keep a good focus on your content quality. You want to create high quality content, original content that's relevant to your target audience, and include your primary and secondary keywords. By focusing on your on-page SEO factors, you can help search engines better understand your website content and relevance, which can lead to higher search engine rankings and increased organic traffic to your website. So, why is optimized content important for SEO? There's several reasons. One of the big reasons is that it improves search engine visibility. Optimized content is more likely to appear in the top search engine results pages, otherwise known as SERPs, for relevant queries, and this can increase the visibility of your website to potential customers and improve your organic traffic. It also leads to better user experience, as optimized content provides a better user experience because it answers the user's query and provides them with valuable information. This can increase the user's engagement with your website and improve their perception of your brand. This can lead to higher conversion rates, as optimized content can lead to this by providing the user with relevant information that helps them make a decision. All of this leads to more sales, signups, and other desired actions. And it helps improve your website authority. So optimized content that provides value to the user improves your website's authority and overall reputation in the industry. This can lead to more backlinks, social shares, and other signals that improve your search engine ranking as well. Optimized content can also give you a competitive advantage by helping you stand out from your competitors in search engine results pages. This can lead to more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. Overall, optimized content is essential for SEO because it helps your website rank higher in search engine result pages. It provides a better user experience and increases your conversion rates, and overall improves the website authority and helps you gain a competitive edge in the industry. So, how do you optimize your content for SEO? There are several ways. One of the ways is, as I mentioned before, is keyword research. So start by conducting keyword research to identify the phrases and topics that your target audience is searching for. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find keyword will help you find relevant keywords and search volumes. SEMrush is a powerful SEO tool that can help you do the keyword research in several ways. They have a keyword research tool that allows you to find relevant keywords and phrases for your website, and it provides data on search volume, competition, and keyword difficulty. You can use this data to identify high value keywords to target in your content and any kind of PPC campaigns, email marketing campaigns, and things like that. SEMrush also has something called competitor analysis. And this essentially allows you to analyze your competitors' websites and identify the keywords that they are targeting. And you can use this data to inform your own keyword strategy and find gaps in your competitors' content that you can target. They also have keyword tracking. So their keyword tracking tool allows you to monitor your website's ranking for target keywords over time. You can use this data to track the effectiveness of your SEO strategy and make adjustments as needed. They also have content optimization as well. So SEM's content optimization tool provides recommendations for optimizing your content for target keywords. This includes suggestions for on-page optimization, such as target keywords in key on-page elements, and improving content quality as well. They also have PPC keyword research, and this allows you to research and analyze PPC campaigns to identify high-performing keywords and add copy. You can use this data to inform your own PPC campaigns and optimize your ad spend. Overall, SEMrush is a comprehensive SEO tool that can help you with all aspects of your keyword research, from identifying relevant keywords to tracking your website's ranking for target keywords over time. By using SEMrush, you can optimize your website's content, any PPC campaigns to improve your search engine visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Another step that you want to consider is on-page optimization. And this is essentially, once you've identified your target keywords, you want to optimize your content by including them in key on-page elements, like in the title tag, in the meta description, heading tags, body copy, and things like that. You want to make sure that you include your target keywords naturally and avoid over-optimization, which can be penalized by search engines. Plugins like Yoast or Rank Math are essentially designed to help you with on-page optimizations for your WordPress website. There are several ways that Rank Math can help you, and one way is the content analysis. So it has a content analysis tool that analyzes your content and provides suggestions for optimizing it for target keywords. This includes recommendations for using keywords on key on-page elements, like in the title tag and meta descriptions as well. Rank Math also provides keyword suggestions as well, and this basically suggest keywords based on your content and other target keywords, and it can help you identify related keywords and phrases that you may have missed and optimize your content for a broader range of search queries. They also allow you to add a schema markup for your content, and this improves your website's appearance in search engine results pages. Schema markup basically provides additional information about your content, like ratings, reviews, and other structured data. Rank Math also includes a redirection module that allows you to set up redirects for any broken links or any outdated content. This can help you improve your user experience and prevent search engines' penalties for broken links. Rank Math also includes an XML sitemap generator, and that creates basically a sitemap for your website. And this can help search engines crawl and index your website more efficiently. Rank Math provides internal linking suggestions based on your content and target keywords. This helps improve your website experience and make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. Overall, Rank Math is a comprehensive SEO plugin, and it helps with on-page optimization by analyzing your content, providing keyword suggestions, and by using Rank Math, you can optimize your website's content for target keywords and improve your search engine visibility. Another step to consider whenever you are optimizing your content for SEO is content quality. So this is ensuring that your content provides value to the user by answering their query and providing helpful information, but you also want to make sure your content is well written and engaging and free of any kind of errors. And Grammarly is a tool that can help you do that. Grammarly is a writing tool that helps you ensure the quality of your content in lots of different ways. And the first way is spelling and grammar checking. So Grammarly will check your content for spelling and grammar errors and suggest any corrections. And this can help you avoid common mistakes and ensure that your content is error-free. Grammarly can also help analyze your writing style and provide suggestions for improving it. And this can include suggestions for tone, clarity, and consciousness. By improving your writing style, you can make your content more engaging and readable. Grammarly also suggests synonyms and other word choices to improve your vocabulary and avoid repetitive language. This can help make your content more interesting and varied. It also has something called plagiarism detection, so it checks your content for plagiarism and identifies any text that may be copied from other sources, and this can help ensure that your content is original and avoid penalties for copyright infringement. And it also allows you to set goals with your content, so goals like intended audience, tone, and style. This can help you tailor your writing to your target audience and ensure that your content meets your goals. Overall, Grammarly is a really powerful writing tool that can help you ensure the quality of your content by checking the spelling and grammar errors. Improving your writing style and vocabulary, detecting plagiarism, and helping you set your goals for content. You can ensure that your content is high quality and engaging, which can help improve your search engine visibility and drive more traffic to your website. Mobile optimization is another key step in making sure that your content is optimized. So ensuring your content is optimized for mobile devices by using responsive design and optimizing for mobile load times. A tool that you can use to help with your mobile optimization is BrowserStack. BrowserStack is a cloud-based platform that allows you to test your website or web application on a variety of mobile devices and browsers. It can be a useful tool for testing and optimizing your website's mobile compatibility and user experience. With Browser Stack, you can test your website on thousands of real mobile devices, including smartphones and tablets. And this can help you identify any issues with mobile compatibility and ensure that your website looks and functions correctly on all devices. Browser Stack allows you to test your website on a variety of different browsers, including mobile browsers like Safari and Chrome, and this can help you ensure that your website looks functional across all browsers and different platforms to help you identify any browser-specific or platform-specific issues that need to be addressed. It also includes a wide range of debugging tools and integrations, and includes real-time debugging, network simulations, and bug tracking integration, and this can help you quickly resolve any issues that are affecting your website's mobile performance. Overall, it's a really powerful tool for mobile optimization by allowing you to test your website on a wide range of mobile devices and browsers, identify and resolve any issues, and ensure that your website provides a high-quality user experience on all devices. And lastly, social media. So you want to promote your content on social media channels to increase the visibility and engagement. This leads to more shares, more likes, more comments, and can improve your website's rankings and search engine result pages as well. Overall, optimizing your content for SEO involves creating high-quality, relevant content that is optimized for target keywords and provides value to the user. By following these steps, you can improve your website's search engine visibility and drive more traffic to your website. So how often should you optimize your content? The frequency with which you should optimize your content for SEO can vary depending on a variety of factors like the type of content you are creating, the level of competition for your target keywords, and the frequency with which search engines update their algorithms. In general, it's a good idea to optimize your content for SEO before you publish it to ensure that it is well optimized for your target keywords and provides a good user experience. However, optimization is always going to be an ongoing process, and you may need to make adjustments and updates to your content over time to maintain its relevance and visibility in search engines. But here are some general guidelines to keep in mind. First, do keyword research before creating your content to identify relevant keywords and phrases to target. Next, optimize your content before publishing it by including your target keywords in the title, headings, and body of the content, as well as in meta descriptions and other on-page elements. You want to regularly monitor your website's analytics and search engine rankings to identify any changes or fluctuations in performance that may require further optimization. And update and refresh your content over time to ensure that it remains relevant and up to date and reflects changes in search engine algorithms or user behavior. Ultimately, the key to successful SEO is to create high-quality, relevant content that provides value to your audience and is well optimized for search engines. By focusing on creating content that meets those criteria and regularly monitoring and adjusting your optimization strategy as needed, you can help ensure that your content remains visible and relevant in search engines results over time.